What is up, YouTube family? Welcome back to On-Chain Gaming. My name is Jake, the On-Chain Gamer, and today we're actually going to be talking about market prices. And I know this is a crypto gaming channel, but cryptocurrencies have just been plummeting. We had Bitcoin fall a ton, and actually this video is probably going to be uploaded like maybe 5 or 10 days after I'm recording it. So I don't know how prices are going to move by the time this is posted, but I want to share with you why prices going down is actually something that I really don't mind. I actually embrace it. I enjoy it. And I want to talk to you a little bit about some of my thought processes, kind of the way that I think about stock market and crypto market price movements, and also about how my investments aren't about what I think are going to go up or down in the short term. It's about what I fundamentally believe is going to change the world over the next couple of years to next decade. So without further ado, let's roll the intro and get into it.
On-Chain Gaming.
Obviously, no one likes when they lose money. Nobody likes to lose money. It doesn't feel good. But when you're investing, you kind of have to think about it in a different way. Because if we look at my biggest investment, which I am a massive bull on Tesla, I think that Tesla is absolutely going to revolutionize the world. Not only do I think Tesla is going to revolutionize vehicles by making them electric, but also they're going to revolutionize energy generation through solar, energy storage through the Tesla Powerwall, and they're also going to revolutionize transportation beyond cars with the Cybertruck, the Semi, and the autonomous taxi network. And I think all of this coming together is going to make Tesla the most valuable company in the world by the end of this decade. I think that doesn't only mean that like Tesla's going to get to 3 trillion or something and pass up where Apple or Amazon or Google is. I think that those companies are also going to be growing a lot. So I actually think Tesla is going to be worth over $5 trillion. Right now, it's worth like $500 billion. So that is a 10x. I think a 20x is possible. And this is just by the end of the 2020s. And that's my current opinion. And it's based on fundamental analysis and research and studying the numbers, studying the outlook, studying the global trends. I'm very confident in Tesla. I'm so confident, in fact, that I have over 90% of my entire net worth invested in Tesla. And this is not investing advice. I don't think that everyone should be doing that, but I really just want to be able to capitalize. I want to be long on Elon Musk, one of the greatest, probably the greatest engineers of our generation. And I'm comfortable having all of my net worth in Tesla. In fact, I sleep better having almost all of my net worth in Tesla than I did back when I was diversified across the S&P 500, because there's a lot of companies that are going down in the S&P 500 that don't have great outlooks ahead, that are getting innovated out of existence, and Tesla is not one of them. So I feel so much better having my net worth in Tesla. But all stocks go down, and all cryptos also go down sometimes. Fluctuations in the market, it's just part of what being invested is. So if we look here at my Tesla position over the past month, you can see that I'm down $239,000 in 1 month. That's in 4 weeks. I'm down $239,000. And that is a lot of money. That's probably more money than I've actually spent myself personally over the past 5 years, just completely wiped out in the matter of 4 weeks. And I know for some people, that would just absolutely stress you out. It would be having you feeling so down and distraught and like questioning your life decisions. But for me, it actually has me super excited, because I can now buy Tesla for a very good price compared to what it was in January at almost $900. Now it's like in the 500s, and I've been loading up on more shares. And even though the dollar amount of my net worth has been plummeting, I think since January I've actually lost about $500,000. Even though the net worth, the dollar amount is going down, the number of shares that I own in Tesla has actually been going up. I've been able to add more and more shares to my Tesla position, so I actually don't feel poorer at all. Because the fundamentals, the company's fundamentals have only been going up over this period of time. They've continued to build Giga Texas, they've continued to build Giga Berlin, and they've continued to just outperform what analysts have thought. Their demand is through the roof. Tesla has already sold all of their cars that they're gonna produce for this entire quarter and half of next quarter, and this quarter's not even over yet. It still has a couple months left in it. So that's just absolutely insane, the amount of demand that Tesla is seeing. Yet despite all of that fundamental truth about the company itself, the stock keeps going down. And when I see these imbalances, the company's value going up, but the stock price going down, buying more and more of the company just gets more and more attractive. And yeah, I get way more excited about stocks. I start researching stocks way more when they're down, not when they're up. And that is kind of the opposite of the way that most people think. Most people, they're like, oh wow, this has gone up so much, I want to buy into it, because they have fear of missing out. But oftentimes after something has run up a ton, that's the exact time not to buy into it. It is in these times when stocks are down, when things are in their 200-day lows, that is when you want to be buying into them. And this is just as true about cryptocurrencies as it is about stocks. If you believe fundamentally in Bitcoin, when it's crashed, when it's at its lows, when no one wants to own it, that's when you should be wanting to buy it if you really believe in it. And when everyone's pouring in, when everyone and their mother and their dog is buying Bitcoin and they don't even know what it is and it's just skyrocketing in price, that's the exact time that you don't want to have anything to do with it. But in the long run, even this massive spike that we've seen in Bitcoin, it's probably gonna go much, much higher in future bull runs. And if you hold long enough, it will probably work out, but it's because the purchase is not about the current price, hoping it's gonna go up in the short term. The purchase is about your fundamental beliefs long term. And that is the same thing for AXS and GALA as well. The Axie Infinity token, it's been going down. Do I believe in Axie less? Has Axie been having less players? No, not at all. And that's the thing. Markets in the short term are just a voting mechanism. They can go wherever people want them to go, essentially. However the masses feel in the moment is how the price moves on a daily basis. But over the long term, if you're buying when others are fearful and you're buying into things that have strong fundamental growth and are doing world-changing things, if you own these cryptos and these companies over the long term, you're gonna be absolutely fine. And that's why, even though we've had some rough times in the market, I am feeling very positive, extremely happy. And yeah, I'm just super bullish on the American economy, on the world economy. I think that humankind is very resourceful and is very good at continually improving our own productivity. But then I'm also super bullish on so many of these different cryptocurrencies. I'm super bullish on on-chain gaming and Axie Infinity, AXS, and then GALA token as well, and these ecosystems that are being built. And the short-term market movements, they just provide opportunities for us. They provide opportunities for us to buy when other people don't want to own, which means that we get to then experience the entire run-up when it actually happens. Because if fundamentally these companies, these stocks, these things are not struggling, then they are going to emerge in the end. You're gonna be the last one laughing if you're still holding. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, then leave a big thumbs up. If you enjoyed me sharing my thoughts, I would appreciate you sharing a thumbs up, because that will help out this video in the YouTube algorithm. Then the YouTube algorithm sees the engagements and recommends it to more people. So it's a great way to help out the channel. And if you're not subscribed yet, this channel is mostly about crypto, play to earn crypto gaming, but I do talk about investing and that kind of thing as well, because it is super tied in to crypto gaming. So yeah, hit subscribe, click that notification bell, and you'll be notified when I post future videos. And then thank you so much to all of our sponsors who are enabling us and supporting us to create this content. Your support is just so appreciated. So thank you so much, patrons, for being a supporter of this channel. And until next time, guys, have fun roaming the metaverse.